Okay, buddy, you got some YouTube friends that want to give you some treats. So first up, we've got Adonis Diaz, 5471. There's your little treat. There you go, pal. That good? Yeah. Kane thanks you. Next, we've got PH8.184, who commented treat. There you go, pal. Good stuff. All right, and then Watermelon Dog 234 off the top rope with 10 treat comments. So it's going to be a smorgasbord here. Huh? All right. Thanks, Watermelon Dog 234. Sigma 2860. Give this buddy a treat. There you go, Kane. Well, okay. Then definitely figuring out the marshmallow thing, huh? Now we've got Lena RD7ZW. Want to give you a treat, pal. There you go, buddy. Self 69420. Comment treat with a smiley face. Kane thanks you. Riker WR3WL, it looks like. Kane thanks you. Good grief, Howard Stark 1702 with 6 treat comments, so we gotta pay up. All right. Good stuff. So there you go. All the viewers that commented treat, he got his treat as promised. Kane thanks you very much. And we're going to go ahead and stop that with the marshmallows because I don't want little man to catch the diabetes. So we'll go ahead and just sign off for now. But thanks a lot for all the comments and the treats. Kane thanks you and very much so likes this game. Don't you, pal? Kane, don't you, pal? You like that game?